Hello, welcome to another edition of the kitchen show Find Mama Pot. In the program, we revive, promote, and project local cuisine across the globe. So today, Find Mama has set up a task of setting the fire with the firewood without the use of kerosene or any fire agent. So Find Mama have set up a task of setting the fire with the firewood, which a lot of adolescents of this 21st century may not be familiar with. So we have our contestant already waiting to take up this task. I'm sure you would like to see the magic, you'd like to see the process because we're taking it step by step setting of fire the local way without the use of kerosene. Yes, and of course there are rules to this game. The rule is no use of kerosene. Each contestant is entitled to only 3 matches sticks. And they are to do this within the interval of 5 to 10 minutes. Isn't that such a long time? But let them enjoy it. So are you ready to see them? Let's get started. My name is Enobo Nkanta.
jolly, yeah, yeah. The way you care for me, I no fit talk am. When I've been the sick and needed you, you never leave me alone. You sell your wrappers, mama. You give me book up, mama. Your bread, my sugar, mama. I go carry go Malaysia. I go fly down to Asia. I go do you anesthesia. I go package, mama. I go carry go Malaysia. I go fly down to Asia. I go do you anesthesia. They go join up, mama, yeah, yeah. Mama, mama, see my fine mama. I love my mama. Carry you go Yankee, yeah, yeah. Mama, mama, see my fine mama. I love my mama. Where we go jolly, yeah, yeah. Mama, 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 mio. I go love you like my one and only sugar mommy. I go take you round the world, go to my sugar mommy. Feeling suene kukere po oni ninko kere. Feeling suene kukere po oni ninko kere. Mama mio, I search for everywhere for mama, mama eh. See my mama le 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 le. Love you mama eh. See my fine mama eh. African mama eh. Mama eh. Pastor BC Biome. African mama. She stooped to conquer. My spiritual mama eh. Anima Kali. She know the tire. Mama, 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 mio. I'm going to them just to make sure you're happy.
Oh, Chibonki met this beat.
Mama, mama, I go get the money. I go buy you a mini. I mean a Mirinda. Mama, mama, go buy you a moto. Carry you go to Yankee. My mama bunny select. Better life I go give you. Better clothes I go buy you. All your tears I go wipe you. My mama, mama. Better life I go give you. Better clothes I go buy you. All your tears I go wipe you. My mama, mama, eh. Mama, mama. See my fine mama. I love my mama. Carry you go Yankee, yeah, yeah. Mama, mama. See my fine mama. I love my mama. Where we go jolly, yeah, yeah. The way you care for me, I no fit talk am. When I've been the sick and needed you, you never leave me alone. You sell your wrappers, mama. You give me book up, mama. Your bread, my sugar, mama. I go carry go Malaysia. I go fly down to Asia. I go do you anesthesia. I go package, mama. I go carry go Malaysia. I go fly down to Asia. I go do you anesthesia. They go join up, mama, yeah, yeah. Mama, mama, see my fine mama. I love my mama. Carry you go Yankee, yeah, yeah. Mama, mama, see my fine mama. I love my mama. Where we go jolly, yeah, yeah. Mama, 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 mio. I go love you like my one and only sugar mommy. I go take you round the world, go to my sugar mommy. Feeling suene kukere po oni ninko kere. Feeling suene kukere po oni ninko kere. Mama mio, I search for everywhere for mama, mama eh. See my mama le 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 le. Love you mama eh. See my fine mama eh. African mama eh. Mama eh. Pastor BC Biome. African mama. She stooped to conquer.
And contestant A, how has it been?
Tough. I did not anticipate this.
You got me laughing. I was watching you like, what can I do to help the situation?
How I could not light fire in a global TV.
I'm telling you, the world is watching. Even your grandmother won't be proud of you in her grave.
This is the floor for Africa.
Okay. So what do you think? I can see the
First
sweat.
of all,
I can see the
I
sweat.
think that Fine Mama set me up.
No, she didn't. I assure you she didn't.
Okay, Fine Mama. What happened to kerosene?
Well, let's just say Fine Mama didn't want to provide kerosene because she discovered that a lot of adolescents can't really do this. And she said, okay, let's start from the scratch, which is setting this fire. And she's actually waiting to cook.
No, actually, I do this, but I've never started from the scratch before.
Okay.
I fan. I can
Okay.
find the flame.
The fanning.
Yeah, the fanning, and then also what else do I do? I use kerosene.
Okay, the slapping fanning.
No, they really with the plates. I used to bow with plates, fan it. You see the.
Sorry to
This is not
disappoint
fair.
you. Sorry to disappoint you this time. Yeah, but we are happy you participated.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I believe that with this, next time you will do better.
I will.
Ensure you have to go back to mommy's kitchen. Tell her, Mom, don't worry, let me do it this time. Sorry, grandma is not here. So you have to go help mom again.
Yeah.
Live this modern life and then let's do this one.
Yeah, seriously, I've learned. I would think it's such an easy thing to do.
Okay, when you look at it from afar, right?
But sometimes when I see people wasting time to do, like, what are you doing? Do.
Uh-huh.
Like,
Now
I
you
almost finished your
understand better.
matches.
You were entitled to only 3 matches sticks. And
I would-
man, babe, I'm sure you've done up to 10. And yet there are no results. Well, it's all good. You know, one thing is the willingness to learn. Yeah, you may not know something, but somebody said, oh, let's do it. You say, don't worry, I know it. But this time, I'm sure if there is a task like this next time, you will do better.
Sure.
Do better. So, on behalf of Fine Mama team, we want to say thank you for participating. We love you just like that.
Love you
We
too.
love you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry
Alright.
for the stress.
It's
Sorry for
okay.
the
It's okay. I
stress.
wish I had won, but next time.
Don't worry, Fine Mama would like to see you some other time. Yeah, we believe that every woman is unique. You may not do this one right
Yeah.
now, but we trust that there's something you can do in your own way sometime, in future.
I'll be happy to come back anytime.
We'll
Thank
be
you.
happy to have you. Thank you.
All right. Have a lovely day.
All right. Oh, wow. As you can see, the first contestant didn't make it in the tags. Fine Mama is not doing this intentionally to stress anyone, but she is aware that a lot of adolescents doesn't know how to set fire with the firewood without the use of kerosene. So she made it a tax. The second person got it right. So let's get to talk to her. Okay, so contestant B, you got it right.
Yes.
So what's the feeling like? Winning the tax? What's the feeling like?
You know, it's actually easy. Yes. Why? Because that's
Okay.
like my everyday job. I do it almost every day. So that's
Oh.
why I find it so common and easy to
Oh, finally somebody has accepted it that it's easy to set fire with firewood without the use of kerosene.
Yes.
It's easy for her because it's her everyday job. Wow, so good to hear that. So
Thank you.
to me, maybe we thought that Fine Mama is just stressing you unnecessarily. Do you think so?
do it. No, not at all. Anybody that wants to learn from me, can come and bribe me. I'll teach the person.
Whoa! She's available. Where she's available. In case you don't know how to do it, she says she can train you. That they need to bribe you, like
Yes.
find you small thing,
Yes.
but not kerosene. No.
No problem. No kerosene.
No
I do use
kerosene.
Yes.
Okay, so what do you have to say to the people out there, about this? Because a lot of adolescents don't know how to do this. Yeah, like the contestant B, is not her everyday life, so she couldn't do it. So must it be like our everyday life?
It's more than be our everyday life, but at least once in a while we just try to set things in a local way. It's not every time we go about with the gas electric stove and more of the model takes. So we can also try with the local way. We have the firewood and we also have sawdust. Yes, most
Okay.
of that wooden dust.
Okay.
It is also part of the local way we can also use to set the fire.
Oh, wow.
We can work without kerosene.
Oh, wow. That's quite educating. That's quite educating. Yes. Okay, since you said this is your everyday life.
Yes.
No, now, how does it taste like cooking here and then using the modern facilities for cooking? Because, you know why I'm asking this? People say that the food here, you can't compare it. So I want to hear from you. What do you have to say about that?
Yes, it's the truth. Actually, the smoke here, it gives the food a different aroma and a different
Did you
taste.
hear that? Oh, that's from the girl that is doing it every day. She can lecture you. Wow. So even the smoke gives an
Yes.
aroma.
Yes, it does.
Wow. So where did you learn that from?
I learnt it from my mama.
Wow, Mama, your work is appreciated. You can see your girl. She's representing the memory. She's representing you. Wow, that's good. That's good to know. So this is something you like to do over and over again.
Yes.
What's your favorite? What's your favorite local dish?
I like afang soup.
Afang soup,
Yes, and also plantain.
plantain. Okay,
Porridge
plantain. Porridge plantain. There are varieties. There are different ways of cooking plantain. Is it the other chopping that you cut it small, or is it this one like that? There's how they boil it without cutting it, and then there are also some yummy particulars that follows it. I think they still call that porridge too. So which one?
Any of us has is porridge.
And as long as it's plantain.
Yes.
Well, it's good to have you in the show. We are proud of you.
Thank you very much.
We are proud of you.
Thank you.
Thank you for participating. So, on behalf of Fine Mama team, we want to say to our contestant B, congratulations. You know, in every competition, there is always a winner. So, she has to to conquer these tasks of setting firewood the local way. She has stooped to conquer these tasks of setting fire with the firewood without the use of kerosene. That reminds me, how many matchsticks did you use?
Just one.
Just one.
Yes,
We
one.
gave 3. She used 1. Wow. So let's applaud her once again. Thank you so very much. We would like to have you on and on and on in Fine Mama Port. Will you be available?
Yes, I will.
Thank you for your time. So to you watching us out there, do well to follow us, comment on this, share your thoughts, share it to your loved ones. In short, challenge yourself or you challenge your loved ones. Let's see if they can get it right. Probably, perhaps you have been cooking the modern way, so why don't you try the local way and see if you can actually have this tax correctly. Yes, and then do well to follow us on all our social media handles. Find Mama Pot on X, former Twitter, YouTube, Find Mama, Facebook, Find Mama Pot. Follow us on all our social media handles, and then follow us also on our blog, findmamapot.com. Don't miss any of our segments of the show. Isn't it exciting? Haven't you learned something? So this is what Fine Mama brings to you right here from the kitchen to your screen at the comfort of your home. And keep watching Fine Mama Pots. We love you.
Mama, I go get the money. I go buy you with mini.